As I was writing this speech, I realised that this is Muzz. As this one day in our lives is the sum of the overpowering and complete love I have for you, Muzz is the way we tell each other this every single day. Our names were given to us at birth, but as our name now we are married, we gave this to each other, just as we gave ourselves to each other. Muzz, Muzzy, and Muzzins. That's our love in a single phrase. Every time I see you and say this, it's a way for me to show you how much you mean to me in the smallest moments. From cleaning your teeth to walking Bosie or reading your book, it tells me that you are my person and I'm so incredibly honoured that you have chosen me to be yours. I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives going on whirlwind adventures, watching football on the weekend, seeing you shine through life and being Muzz together. As one great poet summed it up, love you to the moon and to Saturn.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. My life. For the rest of my life. You're in my sight, in my mind, in the quiet and up front out loud, in the calm, in my spirit and the storm. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find